Reviewing Temu fidgets. I bought 3 fidgets. Oh, I love the colors. It is super sticky. A little smaller than I expected. There is also a lot of air in the stress ball, but I don't mind. It's so squishy and stretchy. This one is my favorite. Overall, I rate it a 10 specus. It's super good but small and is a lot of air. Super easy to pop. I rated 7/10 'cause it's a little small, but cute. This one I'm most excited for. The pops are a little hard and quiet on the bad side. So loud. These ones with the dots make it feel kinda weird, but I got used to it. I rated a 9/10. Which one was your favorite?